Look at this.
What? You recording them?
Just.
I can put that at the beginning of the video. What you doing, baby? Welcome to me, Casa. Okay, guys, this is the little, shoving. So this is the entryway. Here we go. Right here, we have a little. Let me tell y'all where I got these from. I got these from Hobby Lobby, right? These was hot. These were 50% off. I think the tag is still on them. Yep, they was originally $20, $12.99 for the big one, and the small one was $9.99. So 50% off for like $22, which is like $11 for two of these, which is good. Or did I get these from Burlington? I think I got these from Burlington. And I got this from Hobby Lobby. That stuff was 50% off. This is my little pillow I got from Hello. I got this little pillow. You see that? That's full. I got this from Burlington. I think this was like $11. And this is my oh, this bitch look a little dusty. I should have cleaned that up. We should have cleaned that up, Justy. This is my little family sign. I use this as part of my fall decor, my little videos, well, pictures I have posted on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do it at Itsmisstrina 89. So this is my little bench. We never sit on it, but we use it for shoes or whatever. So come on in. Come on. As you can see, we got makeup Shayla going on right here. She looks flawless as ever. You know, YouTubers gotta support other YouTubers. This is my little garland around, the bed. You see, we got some little decor up here. This is all dollar store stuff right here, y'all. Okay? So if you're looking for some inexpensive stuff, the dollar store is always good for DIY projects around the house. And then this, I believe, was from Walmart. This little tree. Tree house thingy, whatever you want to call it. And then you got a little candle burning. Skirts a little light show in the back, okay? So this the reason I made this. Y'all see this? This goes with my color scheme. I use this every year. Hush, dog, hush! I use this every year. I just change the colors if I'm doing a different color or whatever. So that's that. And then this is my favorite part of the apartment, the living room. Look at this. This is like a little village. Right? A little village. You see that? All of this is from Burlington. And I ain't even gonna tell you how much I spent on this, but yeah, you get the picture. I got the charger plates from Hobby Lobby. The glasses I already had. I have plans on getting some plates to go on top of them, but I haven't gotten them yet. And then I also have this little picture thing that I was too lazy to go get the pictures out of the car and put them in it. And this is just gonna go like right here. And little pictures of our family. It says family is always and forever. So yeah, I thought this was really cute. I got this from Walmart. I think it was like $8 or $9. And then we have a little bar over here, which isn't decorated. But you know, you gotta have your choices. This is top shelf right here. This is what we call top shelf. As you can see, this is all going. This is the deuce thing. But we know we just keep the bottles for decoration. Okay. Hello. Get up. Let's go. Come on. You say hi. Hi. Say what's up. Okay. And now into the actual living room. Y'all can just be Coco. Stop. Just to be messing up my little setup. I got all of my pillows from Burlington. And that one little red one over there I got from Ross. I think a couple of the gray ones is from Ross too, but y'all must have known all about the fur shit. You see this? This is a rug, honey. I just put it on here like a rug, okay? And my mom actually gave me this idea because she's also creative, so that's why. Look at this. It looks real. It's nice. So yeah, that's that. And then this is just a little table. I actually had over there where the tree is, but I moved it behind here. And all of this stuff I already had, so I just added it on here. Here go my baby. That's him when he was about 4 months. Yeah, he was 4 months in that picture. So that's my chunky home. And then I did a little table scape right here. Not table scape, but just a little tray for the ottoman. The tray I got from Target. I had that for forever. All of these little pieces on here I got from Hobby Lobby and Walmart. And the acorns I got from Kroger. And they smell like cinnamon. Smell like cinnamon. And all my candles I got from Kohl's. So, yeah. Now I'm going to take y'all over here. As y'all can see the little lights on the window and the snow. That was more so for Justin. He really loved this. Stop. It's that annoying dog, y'all. That annoying dog. And then we got the little fake poinsettias. The fake poinsettias right here we got from Walmart. I think they was about $8 each. And I had to get the fake ones because you can't get the real ones with the dog because the real ones are poisonous to dogs. So, yeah, I do kind of care about my dog. So, Now my favorite part, the tree. And if you guys haven't watched my Christmas tree decorating video, make sure you go check it out. But this is the tree. This is where I had that white table behind the couch at. But I moved that and I put the tree here. Yep. This is it. I bought all new bulbs this year because I did a whole nother different color. Last year I did blue, silver, and white. This year I did red, white, and silver. So, yeah. And look at my angel. Isn't she beautiful? She's named after my late grandmother. This is G. You don't want to push the tree too much because it's a little weak and I don't want to rock it. It might fall over. So, Justin did pull it down one year. Yep. And then, y'all, I want to take y'all outside this way to show you the patio. But let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all a story, right? Story time. Coco was sick, right? I want to say maybe about a month ago. He was having seizures. And I thought my dog was going to die, y'all. I really thought he was going to die. I was crying. I had to take him to the vet. Had to pay a $300 bill. And they said when they took blood work, it looked like he had his... something in the blood work was high that showed signs of an infection. So I'm like, hello, I'm talking. Hello. Sign of an infection. So I didn't know what it was. So the day that we was decorating the tree. Oh, that's a big dog. He better have that thing on the leash. You know, it's all kind of wild animals around here. But anyway. Took him to the hospital, whatever. They gave him antibiotics. They said he was showing signs of an infection, whatever. So he's sitting out here, and I'm gonna insert a picture of this for y'all. We sitting out, I'm taking pictures in front of the tree, you know, do what I do. And I kept seeing something out of the corner of my eye. And I'm just like not paying it no mind because me and Justin taking our pictures. Child, I started screaming. I don't know what it was, but it looked like the biggest rat I ever seen. I ever seen. So I'm yelling at my brother like, Piggy, take the picture so we can put it behind me and show. He told us, oh, Fatty, I think it's a raccoon. He called me Fatty, I call him Biggie, just for reference, so y'all can know who I'm talking about. And I'm like, take a picture. I said, that ain't no raccoon. I know what a raccoon looks like. We can see them up north. So he took a picture. We sent it to my mom. And my mom called me the next morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, yelling, it's a possum! It's a possum! Oh my God, chill my stomach is a possum! And I'm just like, what? So I had to start looking it up. I never seen one of these things. I didn't know what it was. And the possum was in Coco's dog bowl drinking his water. As you can see right here, I'm gonna look at the picture for y'all to see this. And I think that's why my dog was sick, y'all. I think some one of these strange animals was out here in my dog bowl, eating his food, drinking it, and that's how he got sick. Yep, that's what happened. So I don't want to take y'all out this way. So I'm going to take y'all out the other way so y'all can see. Because I'm a little scared to go out here. I'm just getting chills thinking about it. So we're going to go outside the other way and we're going to show y'all The outside lights. So let's go. Come on. Justin, we gotta put some clothes on. Put some shoes on. Put some shoes on. Oh! Let's get Justin some shoes and we'll be right back. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Wait, put your head on right. Alright, come on, let's go show them the outside. Wait! You gotta take a double look. Come on. What's that? Let's go. Okay. It's raining. It's raining. Oh, they matching us. Y'all, I'm looking at Justin windows, right? I'm gonna show y'all a bedroom tour in the next video, but the people upstairs, though, they matching. These is our windows down here, right here, on the bottom, and the people upstairs that's always making noise that I had to call the cops on a couple of weeks ago. Not even a couple of weeks ago, maybe last week. Because they was up there with a damn saw chain and something, sawing something. Woo, Lord. Okay, as you can see, look at the tree. Y'all see the tree? This looks like something that belongs in Rockefeller Center. I'm telling you, it was just a little bit. Alright, so we're coming around to the outside. Look at Thaddeus in the window. Like, don't nobody see him peeking. So this is what the outside looks like. The reef in the middle is from one of my girlfriends who I've known. She made it for me last year. Why? I hope you're watching this video so you can see a reef that you made me. It looks pretty. And then, you know, there go the little, you know, the lights around the window or whatever. And you can see the stuff. Oh, you know what? The light's not even lit up on the bedroom window. I forgot to plug them up. But y'all can see that in the bedroom tour. You know what? That's what them people was probably up there doing. When they was up there sound like they was using a damn saw chain. They was probably up there decorating. As y'all can stop. As y'all can see my pole right here, right? I had some lights around here, right? And for some reason, brand new lights I just bought. Walmart need to give me my $282 back because the lights went out. And my mom like, oh, just go through and shake all of the bulbs and maybe it's just one loose. Sis, it's cold. I ain't gonna be out here doing it. But yeah, I forgot to plug out the lights around the window, y'all, so y'all get the full effect. But I'll show y'all that in the part 2 of the apartment tour. So let's go back inside because it's a little chill. You ready to go back inside, baby? What's going on with your hat? You look like you've been drinking. What's going on with your hat? You ready? Let's go. Come on. Your dad was in the window peeking like ain't nobody see him. He probably looking to see if Tiffany going. He ain't gonna come out till she leave. Oh my God, I can't believe they made. I swear they probably came out looking and was like, oh, we gonna match them. We're gonna try to top them. Right. People can't even come up with their own ideas. Oh no, this reef, where did this reef from? I don't remember. Maybe Walmart. And the rug I got from Target. Target in Philly though. Come on. It's cold. Okay. Okay guys, so this concludes my living room tour, holiday edition. I will have some part 2s, maybe a part 3 coming because there are some other parts of the apartment that I want to show you guys just for holiday decor to give you guys some ideas or whatever. Justin, I don't know what's wrong with my child. He just likes to stop. He likes to start acting crazy once he gets on camera, but I will be doing more videos with Justin because I see in the Christmas tree decorating video you guys did like that video a lot with him in it, so I will be doing more videos with him. Make sure his feet not looking dirty. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys like this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Say deuces. Say peace. Peace. Say see you later. Alright guys, see you later. Thanks for watching.